Hey guys, this is the Wraith. Today I'm going to be installing my frame sliders. These frame sliders are from Vagabond Motorsports, made in the good old USA. I chose these particular frame sliders because you don't have to remove the bolt that holds the engine in to install them. So this kit comes with a bolt, a lock washer, and a spring washer. Woohoo! Also, an Allen wrench to twist the bolt. As you can see, each one of these sliders have a hole all the way through. So if you F up the first time, you can always twist it and install with the other hole. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is get a motorcycle. Second thing is get a rag and clean out this area really well where you're going to be sliding in your slider. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a small drain hole right here for your water to drain out of, and that's where we're going to be screwing in these bolts to hold in your frame slider. Of course, you want to make sure that these go in and seat really well. So if you don't have any grease like me, just use some Country Crock original butter. Oh man, I can't believe I'm doing this. This is all sorts of wrong. Even after you've put in the butter, you might not be able to get these to seat all the way in. So I suggest using a rubber mallet to bang it in. And if you don't have a rubber mallet, just use a hammer and a rubber glove. Get the rubber glove on there and give it a really good tap with the hammer, and that should seat in your slider. All right, once your slider pegs are seated in tight, take your bolt, slide your lock washer on that bolt, and then slide your spring washer on top of that lock washer, like so. And then just screw it in the bottom and tighten it up with the Allen wrench. And that's it. Super duper simple slider installation. Hopefully I never have to test these out. Now just do the same thing to the other side. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is the Wraith. Ride safe.